our theme. Now that we've got our title and our tagline, it's time to start working on what does this website look like. And for me, this becomes an important decision point. Again, you might have color choices out of your logo. I chose black and white simply so I don't have to worry about matching some pre-described color choice. You're going to have a hard time customizing that since we're on the free program. But to begin working on your theme and choosing that, again, we're here in the dashboard. We're going to go here to appearance. So I'm going to choose appearance. Sorry, I meant to hit appearance and themes, which is going to be where we are initially. You can, if you have themes that you've chosen, currently this is the one that is active, and it might be a perfectly fine website. There's some recommended ones. So as you move through here, you will see, like I like this one right here because it's got a top menu. You've got these 3 items here. This is available on the business account. Again, here's available on personal. And so one of the things that I like to do, at least here, is I like to look for the free ones. So using this drop down for free, and now you see what is available in the free ones. I will tell you, just because we're working from a free perspective, you do end up getting a limited perspective, but that's okay. I do want to tell you that while I am a web designer, I don't think that a person's aesthetic design is necessarily going to always be the primary thing that moves a person to your website. What moves them to your website is, are you providing information about the products or services and the importance of your company or your organization? And so for this one, I might choose this one right here. Gives you a larger preview. Okay. Style variations, like we could choose like an orange or a warm gray, or maybe the dark theme. I will tell you, I kind of like the dark theme. We can keep going back there. We can go back to themes. Again, have to filter by free. As we scroll back down, this is the one that I looked at, which is called Fewer. There's this one, which is shh, as in be quiet. Sure. There's this infield that might work for you. You look at these color choices. And so what I would encourage you to do is initially, when you start through this, if you think about the kind of website you might build personally, is go look at these and click on one of them and go, why would I use this one? You know, for example, I don't know that I would choose this one, but you do have the menu at the top. You've got about, blog, you've got these primary clickable areas that look like you've got a headline, you've got a primary image, and you can use that. It's got a footer area down here. So this kind of, it's even interactive. It's scaled so that you can see it here. And these are some of the ways that it appears on a tablet, on a laptop or computer screen, and on a mobile screen. Again, going back here to themes, currently looking at free. By the way, if you do that, so got all of these here. Just scroll through, find one, and what I would like for us to do is on Monday, since you will have your laptops with you, go on ahead and have a site theme picked out, and maybe choose why you would want to use that. Now, why are we doing this website? Remember, this website, we are building a how-to guide of how to build a WordPress website. So if you watch the videos that I'm doing, think about what you need to capture for this. You'll need to capture screenshots and all that sort of stuff. So let's start by doing that. All right, now I'm going to choose my favorite theme, which I'm sure you guys have guessed by now, is this one up here called Fewer. Okay, at least currently, I'm going to choose the dark theme. I'm going to go through here and hit activate. It says unlock premium styles. I'm going to decide later. I guess I'm curious if this is a premium style. This is activated. Okay, that's good. By the way, I do want to point this out. If you want to learn WordPress, I'm telling you right now that you can learn tons of stuff online. Even right here, they have a class on how to use WordPress. I would encourage you to go through those sort of things. It's a great way to learn and to get ahead. All right, I'll see you in the next video where we start pushing further ahead.